You can grow your own medicine to soothe stress, heal cuts, and boost immunity, all right on your balcony or backyard. Medicinal Garden Kit might sound like a hobby, but what if it could actually support your health? Today I'll walk you through everything I discovered, from planting to preparing natural remedies, so you can see if it's worth your time, money, and trust. I'll start by showing you what comes in the kit and how easy it is to get started. Then I'll dive into the real results, what actually grew well, how I used it, and whether I felt any benefits. I'll include a quick expert insight on the science behind herbal remedies so you can make an informed decision. By the end, you'll know if this kit fits into your lifestyle and can truly help your well-being. First, unboxing. Inside is a simple but neat package, a selection of 10 medicinal herb seed packets, labeled with names like chamomile, lavender, echinacea, calendula, chicory, California poppy, and yarrow. There's a handful of tools, small garden shovel, plant markers, and a detailed guide that explains how to plant, grow, and process each herb into teas, oils, and salves. Plus, there's a bag of soil blend ready for potting. Everything is organized and looks high quality for a beginner kit. As I opened each packet, I felt the texture of the seeds, small but clearly healthy. The guidebook is no fluff. It gives step-by-step planting times, light preferences, and real-world usage tips like how to steep lavender tea for better sleep. So far, it reflects good care and curation. Planting was straightforward. I filled small pots with the provided soil, placed 2 or 3 seeds of each herb, labeled them, and watered gently. Placement in a sunny window worked fine. Within days, I saw tiny shoots of chamomile and calendula. Within a couple of weeks, lavender and echinacea followed. It wasn't magic, but it was impressively predictable. The seeds germinated reliably with basic care. I did note that the soil retained moisture well, reducing the frequency of watering. The markers saved me from forgetting which plant was which. Even without prior gardening experience, I felt guided at every step. As the herbs matured, I harvested a few. The calendula blooms were vibrant, perfect for making a soothing salve. Chamomile flowers yielded fragrant buds for calming tea. Lavender leaves released a gentle aroma ideal for relaxation. I tried 3 recipes. 1. Chamomile tea for calming nerves. I steeped 5 blossoms in hot water and felt a mild calming effect before sleep. 2. Calendula oil salve for a scraped knee. I infused petals in olive oil, strained, added beeswax, and massaged it on the cut. The skin looked less red after 2 days, and discomfort reduced noticeably. 3. Lavender sachets for better sleep. I dried lavender in small cloth bags. Keeping them near my pillow improved the sleep atmosphere. I felt less restless, though I cannot claim a cure for insomnia. Results were subtle but positive. I wasn't expecting miracle cures, but the ritual of growing and using these herbs added a gentle sense of well-being. The satisfaction of creating something from seed to remedy gave me a mindful moment each day. Now, let's turn to the science side. While herbal remedies have a long history in folk medicine, many claims haven't been rigorously tested in humans. Lab results and animal studies exist for compounds in chamomile and calendula, supporting their soothing and anti-inflammatory effects, but large-scale clinical trials are limited or mixed. This kit is positioned more as a gardening meets self-care tool, not a substitute for professional medical treatment. If someone has a serious condition, it's important to consult a doctor. Still, for mild discomfort, stress relief, or simply boosting your daily routines, this kit offers a low-risk educational experience. It's not snake oil. It's a bridge between traditional knowledge and accessible home practice. And I appreciate the guidebook acknowledging boundaries and encouraging responsible use. Was the kit worth the cost? Let's break it down. Seeds for 10 herbs at roughly X each, depending on vendor. All tools included, no need to buy soil or shovels separately, saving cost and hassle. Learning value, the planting guide plus recipe booklet gives structure and confidence to someone new to growing medicinal plants. Alternative, buying seeds a la carte online may be cheaper overall, but you'll still need soil, tools, and research materials. The convenience of having everything in one packaged kit is appealing. If you're someone who enjoys gardening, likes a DIY project, or wants to explore herbal remedies without overwhelm, this kit offers solid value. For a casual gardener, it saves time and guesswork. For seasoned growers, the real value is in the curated herb selections and structured use cases. So, should you buy it? If you're drawn to cultivating your own natural remedies in a hands-on way, this kit makes that path clear, doable, and educational. It isn't a cure-all, but that's a good thing. It respects both the craft of growing and the complexity of real healthcare. If you prefer more flexibility, like keeping seeds long-term before deciding which plants to grow alone, you can replicate it yourself for less money. But be aware you'll need to find clean seeds, compost, and do more independent research. I spent weeks nurturing these plants, crafting teas and salves, and reflecting on the ritual of homegrown medicine. The process brought quiet moments of connection with earth, scent, and practice. And even months later, I'm still using the dried lavender sachets and calendula salve. It's simple self-care rooted in active engagement. You can grow your own medicine at home, learning, caring, and experimenting, all without fancy tools or big expenses. A X investment gets you seeds, soil, guidebook, and a new hobby that feels both productive and nurturing. Click the official link in the description to check current pricing and availability. If you're curious about starting your own medicinal garden, this kit might just plant the seed for something special in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.